She sent me an email.
Okay. We're here today for House Bill 1078. This bill allows Washingtonians with felony convictions to fully participate in democracy once they have served their prison sentence. This bill automatically restores voting rights to those individuals so they can once again participate in one of our most sacred American rights, which of course is voting. While other states are restricting the right to vote, I'm glad that Washington here, we're expanding our access to democracy. The right to vote, we know, is a key component to a successful reentry into society following incarceration. Now Washingtonians will have the same rights as 48% of Americans who live in states where laws like this already exist. I'd like to thank the sponsors, Representative Simmons, and the companion sponsor, Senator Cooter. This is Representative Simmons' first bill, and as a person who has rebuilt her life following her incarceration, she has so successfully and effectively used her lived experience to the benefit of others and to our community. As our state's first formally incarcerated legislator, she was the right person to get this policy into law, and I want to thank her for her leadership. And with that, I'm signing this bill. All right. I think Representative Simmons deserves this pen.
Yes, absolutely.
So Angie, if you can make sure she gets it, that'd be great.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is House Bill 1114. This bill encourages people and utilities to plant trees and design cooling roof programs for buildings as part of our state's energy conservation goals. Through these efforts, we can make the evergreen state greener by taking bold action on creative climate change initiatives. Thanks, Representative Dye, for this idea and her sponsorship of this bill. And I hope many of these trees are western hemlocks, our state's tree. This is Senate Bill 5021. This bill protects state and local government employee pensions from the impacts of COVID-19 furloughs or other workforce reductions. It ensures that these events don't penalize workers for their participation in unemployment insurance support programs during this difficult time or reduce their service credits. The Department of Retirement Systems requested this bill. Thanks sponsor Senator Hunt, and thanks to Representative Sen for her early support of this bill. This is Senate Bill 5055. This bill improves the approach we use when a law enforcement officer faces a disciplinary action. The bill helps us select the right arbitrator to hear the case by creating a pool of qualified individuals we can choose from. These changes will provide a consistent system with more transparency. Thanks, Senator Wynn. This is Senate Bill 5058. This bill uses money from specialized license plates to help farmers recoup losses when wolves cause damage to their livestock. With the right source of funding set aside for these incidents, we can ensure that fishing and hunting license fees won't have to cover the costs. The Department of Fish and Wildlife requested this bill. Thanks, Senator Rolfes. This is Senate Bill 5077. This will allow mortgage loan originators to work from home without having to license their residence as a branch. This has become a necessary safety protocol during the pandemic and helps us modernize the mortgage industry beyond the current state of the emergency. Department of Financial Institutions requests the bill. Thanks, Senator Dozier, and congratulations on his first bill. This is Senate Bill 5179. This gives 16 and 17-year-olds the chance to be blood donors. More people who can donate blood means we save more lives in the state of Washington. And starting blood donations at an earlier age motivates individuals to become lifelong donors. Thanks, Senator Elias, for his leadership. This is Senate Bill 5198. This is a bill expands access to emergency health care in rural areas across the state. This bill clarifies when someone without first aid or medical training can drive an ambulance. Communities in rural areas with insufficient personnel in certain circumstances can now draw from a larger pool of available drivers. With the approval of the Department of Health, this bill is an important bridge to connect patients to immediate care in rural communities. Thanks, Senator Schessler, for this bill. This Senate Bill 5322, this bill clarifies the enrollment process for school district employees and prevents them from enrolling in two health care plans. This bill will make it easier for administrators to effectively manage the programs that people choose for coverage. The Health Care Authority requested this bill. I want to thank Senator Robinson. This Senate Bill 5338, this bill brings the authority of fire protection districts up to date. It means they can provide critical low-cost worker safety and first aid trainings, and doing so will increase safety performance that will help save lives. Thank the sponsor, Senator Linda Wilson. All right. Got some good bills. Look forward to some more this year. Thank you.